Withdrawing money from your PayPal account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to complete your withdrawal. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Enter your email address and password to log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to your wallet. Once logged in, locate the wallet option in the top menu. Click on it to access your PayPal balance and link bank accounts. Step 3. Select Withdraw Funds. In the wallet section, find the option that says Transfer Money or Withdraw Funds. Click on it to proceed with the withdrawal process. Step 4. Choose your bank account. You will see options for transferring money. Select the bank account you want to withdraw the funds to. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will need to do that first. Step 5. Enter the amount and confirm. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, your funds will be on their way to your bank account. If you have any issues, refer to PayPal's Help Center for assistance.